Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. I've been thinking about it lately, a lot. You know, I think if I sell my soul, all of my problems, and my life would be answered. You know, I could be somebody. I could be something that everybody can remember. All my problems that I have now, being broken, all this other shit, like it can all go away. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it. Okay. I've been thinking about it. Just sell my soul, I can't sleep without it. I'm sick about money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Yeah, I just wanna be known. Okay, I'm scrolling through IG on my phone. I'm seeing people always win in they zone. I look at me, I'm like, damn, I don't know. It's so crazy, man, they always seem so happy. Living in the riches with no struggle, they so chatty. Man, I'm tired of being broke, that's the past me. Yet I'm still living broke with my past me. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it. Okay. I've been thinking about it. Just sell my soul, I can't sleep without it. I'm sick about money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Waking up through so much struggle, so much pain in my muscles. Tired of grinding all day long, but I gotta fucking hustle. Work too hard, dig my own grave with my own shovel. But I gotta pay for my food, for one day I gotta buckle. But if I was really rich, I won't worry about shit. Go and eat when I want, never worry about nothing, never worry about shit. I will be alright, I will be good then. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it. Okay. I've been thinking about it. Just sell my soul, I can't sleep without it. I'm sick about money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. I'm tired of being alone with no one to talk to. I want someone seeing me like the bitch I wanted to. Damn, I wanna fuck the models, man, they ass so fat. Imagine having so many bitches, don't know what to choose, yes. If she fucked up, who's next? If she fucked up, who's next? Yeah, I want a bad joint to flex. I wanna, who's next? Yeah, I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it. Okay. I've been thinking about it. Just sell my soul, I can't sleep without it. I'm sick about money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes, bitches. I'm tired of having a good heart. Every time I treat a bitch right, I'll always fall apart. I'm tired of pain, I'm tired of realizing no one can see my art. I want my songs on the billboards, I want them on the charts. I want celebrities calling on my name from afar. It's like when I have a good heart-to-heart with everybody, it's like nothing good comes my way, man. I'm just tired of it. What's important just to me isn't really morality. Struggling pain happily, I know it's gonna take a while, but I promise it'll be. As you gotta be patient, it'll work gradually. JLew, why you mad at me? I'm the good heart for your soul. I'm the reason you not going insane, and the reason you not alone. JLew, I'm just here for you. Call my name, yeah I know. And JLew, I'm just really you. You just never really alone. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it. Okay. I've been thinking about it. Just sell my soul, I can't sleep without it. I'm sick about money, cars, hoes, bitches. Money, cars, hoes,